Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my oil control primer mist by e.l.f. and I'm going to be putting this all over my face. It's a primer before my primer. I really recommend this to you guys, especially have oily skin. It is a really good product to control your oils. Then I am going to start with my eye makeup. First, I'm going to start off with priming my eyes. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be using my all-nighter setting powder to set my eyelids. And then I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eye makeup. And for today's look, I'm going to be using the Cherry Naked palette by Urban Decay. It is such a pretty palette, and I love the packaging. It's like really 3D, and it has like the cherries underneath the words, which I thought is really cute. And for today's look, I decided to do a smoky cut crease, which it didn't really come out that smoky, but I still like how it came out. And this palette did come with a double-ended brush, and I am going to be using the brush from this palette. I like the packaging of the brush. It is so cute and pink, and I personally think that the brush is actually really good. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with the shade called Caution. This is going to be my main transition shade. I'm going to put this all over the lid, all the way up to my eyebrow like I always do. And then after that, I'm going to be grabbing the shade called Juicy with the same side of the brush, and I'm going to be applying this to the crease. I'm going to just start to apply some color onto the crease. And then after that, I'm going to be grabbing a darker shade called Bing with the same side of the brush, and I'm going to really start defining this eye look. And then after that, I did grab a clean brush, and I'm going to just blend everything out. And then after that, we are going to be cutting the crease, but I'm only cutting 3/4 of the crease. I do want to smoke out the outer B, so I'm leaving that alone. And I'm using my Shape Tape to cut my crease today. And I did do a detailed video on how I cut my crease, so if you guys want to see that, I will link it on the screen. But it's on my one of my playlists. I think on tutorials one, I'm not sure, but you can find it on my channel. Next, I'm gonna grab my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to be wetting a flat brush, and I'm going to be dipping it into the shade called Bang Bang, and I'm going to be applying this on my lid where I cut my crease. I'm going to leave the outer V alone because I'm going to be smoking that out. And after I apply the eyeshadow on my lid, I'm going to be grabbing the shade Bing again, and with the smaller side of the brush, and I'm going to be applying this to my crease again just to redefine it. And then after that, I'm going to be grabbing a clean pencil brush. This one is by Morphe, and I'm going to dip it into the shade called Privacy, and this is what I'm going to be using to smoke out my outer V. So I'm going to be putting that on the part of the lid where I didn't cut it, and I'm also going to slowly blend it into my crease just to really blend it and make everything look smoky. I really wanted it to look a little bit more smoky, but this shade wasn't as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be, but I still like how it came out. And then I'm gonna be grabbing the same brush and with the transition shade, and I'm going to just be blending everything out. And then I'm gonna be grabbing my Skone Cosmetics eyeliner in the shade Plum, and I'm gonna be doing a wing liner like always. And then I'm gonna be grabbing my liquid crystal body liner by NYX, and I'm going to be putting this eyeliner as a base down underneath my wing. And then I'm going to be grabbing my Beauty Creations loose glitter in the shade Gold, I believe, and I'm going to be applying this with the same brush on top of where I applied the liner just to make it look a little bit more brighter and glittery. I haven't used glitter on my channel recently, so that's why I decided to apply even a little bit today. And for lashes, I'm going to be using my IIKONN lashes in the style Bugatti. I do have a discount code. I will link it on the screen, but it's also on the description box like always. Then I'm going to go in with my primer. I'm going to be using the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX. I did do a review on this in the foundation. If you guys want to see it, I'll link it on the screen. But it's in my playlist where I do my reviews. And then I'm going to be grabbing the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced in the shade Sand, and this is the foundation I'm using today. I recently started using this foundation, and I actually really like it. I was actually shocked that I liked it. I didn't think I was going to like it because it doesn't specify that it's a matte primer, but it doesn't make me oily, which I really love. So after that, I'm going to be going with my Shape Tape again, and I'm going to be putting this where I normally highlight. And I know you can see my wig cap, but it's okay because you guys know how it works. Then after that, I'm going to be grabbing my Maybelline Powder. I forgot the name of the powder. Oh, my Fit Me powder, sorry, the loose powder. And I'm going to be using this to bake under my eyes and my nose, but I'm also going to use it to set my whole face. And I was actually excited to try this powder because I heard a lot of good reviews on it. So I finally bought it, and I actually like the way it made my skin look after I used it. I didn't think I was gonna like it to bake, but I actually did like it to bake. It made my under eye look smooth and really, really pretty. And it didn't make me oily, which I really, really love. And then after that, I am going to be grabbing my all nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, and I'm going to be spraying my face. And then after that, I am going to go ahead and contour. I'm going to be using my Smashbox the Cali Contour palette, and I'm going to be using the lightest contour shade in the palette, and I'm going to be contouring my face. I also did my nose, but I didn't show it on camera. And I really like this palette. First, I thought they were going to be powdery and chalky, because when I swatched that, I didn't like the way it swatched. But when I use it to contour, it actually glides on really smoothly. It blends out really good, and it stays on all day. Then for blush, I'm going to be using my Serafina blush by Juvia's Place. And this is one of my favorite blushes now because it is peachy and it has little sparks of gold shimmers in it. Not too much, but just enough, and it is so, so pretty. Now, and then I'm going to be grabbing my Ulta Beauty automatic liner in the shade Gold, and I'm going to be putting this in my waterline. I thought this could have used a little bit of color. And then I'm going to be grabbing the same shades I used in my crease to smoke on my bottom lash. And then I'm grabbing a smaller brush by Morphe, and I'm going to be grabbing that brown shade and putting this really close to my lash line. And then I'm going to be grabbing my bottom lash mascara by Clinique, and I'm going to be coating my bottom lashes. And then for my top lashes, I'm going to be using my Tarte's Lash Paint Mascara on my top lashes to really blend out or really blend in my fake lashes and my real lashes. I recently started using this mascara and I actually really like it as well. I used a lot of new products in this video, by the way. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using my Mirabella highlighter. I forgot the shade name, but it's a really, really pretty highlighter. I got this in my November Yes or Yes bag, and it is so pretty. Can you guys see that? So pretty. And the brush I'm using also came in my November Yes or Yes bag for this month. And I also applied this highlighter to my inner corner and my brow bone. It just went perfectly with this look. And the brush I'm using is from Ulta Beauty, and I actually like the Ulta Beauty brushes as well. You guys need to try those out. Then I'm gonna be using my Bella Pierre Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Nude. And I'm just going to outline my lips, and I'm also going to fill them in a little bit with this liner. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna be using my liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in the shade Nudie Patootie, and I'm going to put that all over my lips. And of course, I'm going to be applying a lip gloss. In the lip gloss, oh no, it's not a lip gloss, it's a lip topper. I'm going to be applying one of Makeup Revolution's new lip topper in the shade Luxurious. This is such a really pretty lip topper. Just wait for you guys. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh my god, can you guys see how shiny that is? It is so pretty. At first, I didn't think this lip topper was going to go with this look or with the lipstick, but I actually like the way it looked, and I just love it. And yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed how this look came out. I love how it came out. If you guys want to see more tutorials using this palette, please let me know. Sorry, I can't talk today. And until next time, bye guys. Love you.